Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add volume to your hair in under 10 minutes.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do.
So the first thing that I do is I add a little dry shampoo to my hair to add texture. Living proof. Just a little to add texture. So then what you're going to do is, I start at the back. You're going to just bring up pieces of hair and you're going to lightly spray each side with any kind of light hold hairspray. So I'm using this today. And you're just gonna hit it front and back. And you're going to add a Velcro roller. These are just soft stick. These are your basic Velcro roller that you can buy anywhere. Sally Beauty Supply, Amazon, I'll link below. Very inexpensive anywhere. Walmart, Target, you guys. They stick to themselves. You don't need any kind of clip. So I don't even use a brush or comb when I do this. You're picking up the hair and you're hitting it both sides, and then you're adding the roller. You can use all small rollers. I kind of do both. Really depends. I've used all big ones already, and basically what it's doing is it's lifting your hair at the root, and when you hit it with the hair dryer, it basically, that's how it adds volume. So we're gonna do this all over, and it may look silly, but it's worth it. So you're just hitting it. You have to hit both sides. And I do not recommend a really sticky type of hairspray. If you pick a hairspray that's like really like a high hold, I personally don't like the way that feels. That's why I'm using a light hold hairspray. I feel like if I've used other hairsprays, it's just, I don't want my hair to be like crispy, basically. Now, I really don't do my whole head, actually. So what we're gonna do now is hit it with the hair dryer. So basically by doing that, you are drying the hairspray around the shape of the roller. So you're basically setting your root lift in by putting on wet hairspray and then drying it. So we're gonna wait a couple minutes, go play Candy Crush, go do something for maybe 2 minutes, and then we'll come back and take these out and I'll show you what happens. Okay guys, we're gonna take out the rollers. bad. So you can see it gave lift, especially putting them going straight back like that. Sorry, I'm trying to see in my other mirror here. Anyway, so yeah, hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video. I upload twice a week. If you have any questions or comments, please list them down below and I will respond to you. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.